A sweet treat with just 2 ingredients that you can enjoy guilt-free. To start, we need 200 g of powdered milk and sugar to taste. I use 50 g. Let's mix these ingredients well. Next, add 200 milliliters of very hot water. Now mix thoroughly until smooth and lump-free. Once smooth, cook on low heat until it reaches brigadeiro consistency. Keep stirring until it starts to pull away from the pan. When it looks like this, it's perfect. Now remove it from the heat. We'll need some plastic wrap. Let's put all the candy in it. Wrap it up tightly. Cool it to room temp, then refrigerate for about 2 hours. After that time, after cooling, remove it from the wrap. Then shape it into balls as you prefer. It's not only delicious, but also super easy and quick to make. A sweet using only powdered milk, water, and sugar of your choice. You can use artificial sweetener instead of sugar if you prefer. For extra flavor, roll the balls in powdered milk if you'd like. That's another quick recipe for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you next time.